Welcome once more to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through basically how to use mendeley for citation. You can check on mendeley, it is right over here on the desktop. I can open it. Like this. And remember, there are some articles which are already inside it. Although I could also download my articles. So I have some articles already here. I'm just going to use it for citation. So if I want to use mendeley for citation, remember I have word here. So I go to mendeley, then I open the article, then I come to the abstract of the article, I copy it, then I come to word, then I paste it there. So if I paste my article in word, suppose I want to do the citation at this particular point, I go to reference, then I say insert citation. But before I insert citation, I can also come here, then I check the type of citation I'm using. We have the APA format, that is American Psychological Association. So I can come now, then I say cite. Remember, we are citing at this particular point. I come to reference, then I say insert citation. So they said go to mendeley, so I say go to mendeley. Then from mendeley, I come to the article I want to cite, like this case. Then I say cite. Then I tap on it and I say cite. So let's check on it. Already cited right over there. You can check on it. It is already cited right over there. Another way we can also do the citation. Remember that the other one was the first way we can do citation. The second one, I can come here. Then I say insert citation. Then I go to mendeley. Then I copy the title. After copying the title, I go back to Word. And what I do, I delete this, then I paste it right over here. After pasting it here, and I say OK. So you can see it's already also cited right over there. Those are the two basic ways we can do the citation using mendeley. So after you have cited already using those two basic ways, you can maybe you want to add the reference list. Maybe you want to add the reference list down here. You can come here, then what you do, you come down here, then you type come down here, then you type like reference list. So you go to reference, then you say insert bibliography. You see it right over there. That is when you want to insert the reference. Some people do it manually, but mendeley helps you to do it in a simpler way. That is basically how you insert the reference list. So remember, we have done only one citation. That's why the reference list is bringing only one. So the more the number of citation, the more the reference list. So you can continue doing the citation, and Mendeley helps you to bring the reference list manually. It just brings them there. But remember, when you're doing this, your word should be connected already to Mendeley, and you should have some articles you have downloaded them. Otherwise, I want to thank you so much for following me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel. Bye bye for now.